how, if the suit succeeds and Robert Jeffrey resumes serving on the city council, would he participate in city council meetings from a jail cell?
He's not going to be in jail.
He's not. He's going to be in jail for 2.5 years,
Maybe.
according to Judge Carson.
Maybe not. We've
So-
noted an appeal, and we've noted an appeal of the bond determination. So there's a chance he may not. And necessarily the objective of the suit is just to call into question the procedure. It is our view that the proper procedures were not followed in forfeiting his seat initially. If you read 24.2-231 of the code, it requires that the felony conviction be final, and the time period for appeals have expired. Neither one of those things occurred on March 22nd when the forfeiture order was entered.
Doesn't the conviction order say that he gave up his right to appeal? I believe it does.
It says that let's read the cases. The cases require knowing, intelligent, and voluntary waiver of your right to appeal. If you read the plea agreement, which is the entire agreement of the parties, there's nothing in the plea agreement regarding a waiver of a right to appeal.
That's true.
And even if
that's true, it doesn't say that.
And even if he waived his right to appeal, it is not final. A criminal conviction is not final until there's a plea or finding of guilt and a sentence.
So you're saying that he couldn't have waived his right to appeal until the sentencing hearing had concluded?
No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying it's not final. That's what the statute requires, that the conviction be final in order for the forfeiture to occur, and the conviction was not final.
Even though there was a conviction order entered by the judge?
Until it's sentenced. And very careful. That's why people have to read the statute and understand the law. The law is, in a criminal case, it has to be a sentence as well as a finding of guilt for it to be final. It was not final on March 22nd when the order of forfeiture was entered.
So he wants to resume serving on city council.
He wants to challenge the forfeiture.
And suppose he wins, then what?
The objective of the suit is to challenge the procedure at this point. We'll cross the bridge of serving or not serving on city council. First, the judge has to find that the forfeiture was improperly, the order for forfeiture was improperly entered. Then there'll be a next step after that, and we'll just have to wait and see.
And were he to make that case successfully and unwind the forfeiture of his seat, he would have to be out of custody to serve on the city council.